friends, running Kimono here. We have a bunch of free cards. I made a video about this morning over at Walgreens, and then a $12 moneymaker for all this stuff. And believe it or not, all the manufacturers I use is digital. So we're gonna jog through this. $40 in merch. What a great deal today. And then we have a little giveaway in celebration of Mother's Day right here. You're gonna have to stay tuned for that if you wanna win one of these scrub mommies. We have a freebie over at Big Lots, and then a freebie and moneymaker at Rite Aid with this Carex bath seat. Shout out to Ravi. This is in fact his deal. He showed it on his YouTube page this morning, and that's where I got the inspiration for this deal. Okay, weather report for you guys. Beautiful day out here today in Michigan, kind of a grayer sky, but nice day. Hi to my mom if she's watching, and happy Mother's Day, and happy Mother's Day to all the moms out there, or anyone who's deciding to celebrate Mother's Day. I hope you're having a fabulous day. Okay, so over at Walgreens, first store we're going to talk about, as I stated in the video I made earlier this morning, at the beauty counter, there is a coupon for a 4 off a 2. These are Hallmark cards that are $2 a piece, found at most of the stores. And it doesn't have to be a Mother's Day card. It could be an anything card, like a birthday card, a wedding card, a baby card, whatever. Make sure you buy them in sets of 2, scan that 4 off of 2, and you're paying tax. Okay, and just to let you guys know too, that coupon, I don't know if it's a store coupon or whatever it is, it's goofy. We looked at it a little more thoroughly this morning. It expires today. It was only meant to be used, I think this holiday weekend for Mother's Day. But like, to get these cards for free, I was able to track down 3 of them. I found them at a store with a beauty counter, and these are really good quality cards. I'm very delighted with that. I wish I could have found a couple more, but I was still happy with the 3. Okay, now this is my basket of $40 of merchandise. So I did in fact use a $10 register reward from the Listerine deal I did last week. So I'd pay a lot less out of pocket. And I wanted a $40 basket because $25 to get 5, it's okay. But I think $40 to get 10 is just a little bit better for this girl. So I'm just gonna jog you through what I got. And again, I used 100% digital coupons. Now, as I was using that $10 register reward, and I had coupons for pretty much all of these items, I needed a filler item to go with that one register reward. So we have the out of focus caramel for 39 cents, found at checkout. I got 4 of these Charmins. Mrs. Empty Nester, get out and do this deal. They are $4.95, so for 4 of them, that's $19.80. I got 2 of these Revlon, look how beautiful that color is, lipsticks. They are $7.99 a piece, so $15.98. I had both a 3 off and a 5 off coupon. For these, I had a 6 off a 3 and a $1 digital coupon. All digitals today, guys. And then for the Colgate, these are $3.99 a pop. For 2 of them, that's $7.98, and I had a 4 off a 2 digital. That one did not come off, but the cashier gave me the points in lieu after I paid for everything. So for all of this stuff, guys, that is the subtotal of $44.15. Got the cashier to scan the $10 of Walgreens cash when you spend $40 right off my phone. And then I presented one $10 register reward for the Listerine from last week. And then digitally, the 6 off of 3 came off for the Charmin, the $1 for the Charmin, the 5 for the Revlon, the 3 for the Revlon, and let's just say the $4 for the Colgate. So I would pay $15.15 out of pocket plus my tax. I actually paid $19 because that one $4 coupon did not come off. And then I got back a $6 and a $7 register reward. Those printed perfectly. And I also got back $14 in Walgreens cash. 4 for the Colgate, buy 2 get $4 of Walgreens cash, and then 10 for this basket. So this was an $11.85 moneymaker after everything is said and done. I'm delighted with this. I have an itch to go do the Listerine deal one more time. I might do it later this week, seeing how I'm feeling. But I mean, when you can get Charmin as a moneymaker and those beautiful Revlon lipsticks, I mean, that's a really awesome, like, I'm really delighted with it. So like, what a great little dealio. Very delighted with it. guys, and just a really quick thing too, sorry I didn't mention this in the video, if you guys want a free 8x10 photo, order this to the store as a pickup. At checkout, you're going to type in the code May8X10 and it'll give you one free 8x10 print. And remember to pick it up at store, and yeah, it's a free print in celebration of Mother's Day, and you have until Monday the 10th to do this. To share this with you guys. With the Fetch Rewards app, I photographed some Kleenex I bought on the weekend, and I got an extra $1, guys, for Kleenex. I mean, OMG, that's amazing. If you've never heard of this app, today is the day to sign up. Check out the link in the notes. Use my referral code when you photograph your first receipt. $2 bonus. It's a terrific app. I did my little Price is Right dance when I got my $1. I was so excited about it. Hey, it's the small things in life, but it made my day getting this $1 back from the Fetch Rewards app. I love this app. So I know a lot of you are probably on Instagram, and I am obsessed with these ladies with these cleaning videos on Instagram. I know a lot of them come from TikTok, but I'm not even on TikTok yet because I'm too old for that stuff. But maybe one day. But they're really into cleaning with the Scrub Mommy and Scrub Daddy, and I thought in celebration of Mother's Day it would be really cool to give these away. And so we're gonna have 2 winners for this giveaway. There's a really hard side, like a scrub hard side, and then on the back it's soft side. And these, believe it or not, you can pass them through the dishwasher and sanitize them. So how cool is that? All the different variations of what you can do with these. And all these professional cleaners, from house cleaners to people with like huge accounts on cleaning, they swear by both the Scrub Mommy and Scrub Daddy. So I thought it would be kind of fun in the namesake of this to give these away. And they sell these for about $3.99 at like Walmart or Meijer or any store like that. Even Home Depot and Lowe's sell them. So to enter this little giveaway, super easy. You got to be a subscriber to this channel. Tell me in the comments where you're from in the United States. So just put, like, for example, if you're from Columbus, Ohio, write Columbus, Ohio shopper, and that is your entry. 1 entry per person, and the winners for Scrub Mommy 1 and Scrub Mommy 2 will be picked on Wednesday, and I'll just mail them out to you. How fun is that? And I hope you guys like it. Of course, I had to get the cat one because I'm a crazy cat lady. But like, how cute are these? Hello! Have a little bit of hand sanitizer that was totally for free. This is 16 fluid ounce of Pana Rosa hand sanitizer, alcohol free. This is a freebie at Big Lots. The coupon is automatically loaded to your store card. You go to the store, these are found right at checkout, or, you know, towards the front of the store, and the cashier will scan it, scan the barcode for the free item or key it in or whatever, and it makes it free. I love when Big Lots has these little freebies, and a free hand sanitizer is totally what it's about. And Sunday is the last day for this, guys, so move on this, or, you know, use it or lose it. I would move on this sooner than later. This is the sort of item that I love to see for free. Okay, the last deal is over at Rite Aid, and shout out and thank you to Ravi. I will leave his YouTube page in the notes if you want to check him out. So they had these stools and these that are kicking back $50 of bonus cash. I believe that's a monthly deal. And for whatever reason, somebody got into a huge fight with this box at the store. Look at this. I'm gonna have to tape it down. And look at that. Did they have chocolate pudding, or is that something else? So obviously, because retail, this is almost a $75 product in my market. If I was buying this for an elderly parent, or if I was going through an operation and I couldn't like shower properly, I would want to open it up and look at it. So I totally get it. But this box has been thrashed, and there was only one in the store. As I live rural, I think Ravi was getting his for $55. This one rang up for $58, and it has to be this one. So again, check out Ravi's YouTube page for the stool one too. The stool is smaller than this one because this is a massive box. Okay, so this guy was $58.39. On one of my store cards, I had a huge amount of bonus cash, and I was able to roll all of it today. So that's kind of like the idea of why I wanted to do this deal. So, $58.39 plus tax. I got the cashier to scan the email, spend 50, get 15 back. And then when you buy one of these, you get back $50 of bonus cash. So that's $65. So from what I had to pay to what I got back in bonus cash, it makes it free plus a $6.61 money maker. Again, visit Ravi's page. There's a lot more information. If you might have like 50 plus, 60 plus dollars of bonus cash on your store card and you just need to roll it because we have to roll our bonus cash every 30 days, this is a really good deal. And you know what, guys? Honestly, you're not using a manufacturer coupon to buy it. If you wanted to sell this on Marketplace, or if you wanted to even donate it, this is the sort of item that I think a lot of people would really love to have. And like, you know, if you're ever going through an operation or something serious, you just don't have the energy to stand up for a shower. So what a great little deal. I'm definitely going to use one of my disinfectant wipes though to clean this up, because that is grody and gross, and like the box has been really badly beaten up. So yeah, that's mine. So as always, guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to enter my little giveaway, and we'll catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.